I am seeing Pentatonix today. I'm literally, this is crazy. I got the VIP thing, so they're going to do like a little performance and then a Q&A. I've written them a letter, which I hope to give to them. And then after all of that, there's a show, so it's going to be sick. Thank you.
Just here, get your wristband and the rest of your gift.
Thank you.
Hello. Do you want to?
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So when the band come in, we just need to make sure that our phones are away. There is no recording when they come in. There's no recording when we start the Q&A, which is shortly after they come in. But then when they do the performance, you can then record. Okay, they'll be performing 2 songs for you. That's the point that you can record. Okay, there will be people looking out for phones. Okay. So gifts. If anybody's got any gifts, please hand them to me before. Don't worry if you don't. And then please just remain seated for the entire duration. If you feel like you need to have a dance during the songs, please just have a little chair dance. Has anybody got any questions for me? And most of all, have fun. It's a great experience, okay? Perfect. Thanks, guys.
No pressure. Unless my voice cracks. Oh, you friends be dogs behind, so I get to be terrified. Please don't be so shy. So will you now be loved all my time? Never be a friend of mine, never see my very side. Maybe you'll be terrified of all the secrets you're wishing you won't ever find. It's deep inside me. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my your beauty is beyond compare, flaming locks of auburn hair, out your skin as a memory. Your smile's like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, I do not be with you, Jolene. Talks about you in sleep, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying. He calls you name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you can easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 oh please don't take me, though you can. Oh please don't take me, though you can. Oh please don't take me, though you can.
And we'll see you in a while.
See you very soon. Thank you for coming out here.
Oh man, just finished the VIP Q&A and pre-show performance thing, and it was amazing. It was pretty amazing. They did you saw the songs they did, Valentine and Jolene. Valentine's one of my favourites as well, and Matt's voice as well. Oh my god, that man has got such a low voice. Like there were times oh man, he made that song sometimes with like there'd be a low note would just catch the whole song, and it'd be so like on pitch and so warm and so like strong, and then it just wraps up the whole song. I wasn't expecting the questions to end then when it did, which was a little bit of a shame because I had put my hand up in the last couple of questions because I had finally figured out what I wanted to say. I wanted to say that I recently did a Goodbye from Lonely mashup, and I'm doing an IU one as well, and that they just changed my life completely and everything, and I'm obsessed. And that my question was going to be at the end, it was going to be how much practice do you do like in your free time? Because I know you might have like set rehearsal times and stuff, but like in your free time, is there much you have to do in your free time, and if so, are you good at doing it, basically not getting distracted or anything? But I did write a letter to them, and I handed it in to the lady who said she'll hand it in to them, and that had everything I wanted to say on it pretty much. It was just like, I completely love what you guys do. It had my the mashup linked on it with a QR code, so they didn't have to search around for it and stuff. But yeah, that was like, it was so weird. It felt so normal but so surreal at the same time. Really odd. Like they're sitting right there, and it was like, because I've only ever seen them in videos really, apart from one show a few years ago, and it's just like, yeah, crazy. Oh my god, before they came in, I sneezed like 5 times, right? And I could tell something was like itching my nose and like making me sneeze. And then they come in and they start like asking questions and stuff, and in like the space of 1-2 minutes I sneezed like 7 times, and I could not. Every time they looked at me as well, I was like trying to hold back another sneeze. So like, but Matt and apparently someone else, the guy next to me said someone else said bless you, but Matt looked at me and said bless you. But it was just like so not ideal. I just like, the whole room's quiet, listening to the questions, listening to them, and I was just going and like I got a powerful sneeze. So yeah, that was not ideal. But man, they are so cool. But look at this, they give you a water bottle, branded obviously, and they give you a signed picture as well. I'm guessing that's Matt, that's Scott, that's Kirsten, that's Kevin, that's Mitch. Oh, I really hope they read my letter though. I'm gonna head in even though it is nearly an hour before they're on. Hello.
Come on. That's right. Yeah. Am I just afraid of love? Or am I not the loving kind? Kissing in the moonlight, movies on a late night game. Oh yeah. And I've been anything that's supposed to be high, but it's just cold, yeah. Somebody wake up my heart, light me up, set fire to my soul. Cause I can't do it anymore. Sing it out. Yeah. Give me that care, sweet love. Yeah. Me. I heard you sing a good song. A stranger to my eyes, throwing my pain with his fingers, seeing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Strawberries in the summertime. keep me quiet.
Guys, I forgot to do an outro. It's the same night. I just got home like half an hour ago, just changed and stuff. And now I'm in the stew making music. Woo! Look at that. Deny You and On My Mind mashup. That's what I'm working on right now. That's a little bit of fluff. Oh, fuck. Okay. Guys, today was pretty amazing. It made me realise a few things. The main thing being, like, I feel like my compass is reset in music and just life, you know? That is the goal. That is where I know I can and will be. And I can feel that I haven't been in that mindset or in that space in my mind for the last few months, maybe. Not massively, just in small ways. But those ways add up because I know exactly what that space is from back in the day. I just feel really realigned with my first kind of instinctual love for music. That's the thing. I feel like in the last few months I've loved music on a intellectual level and like, oh, that sounds good, like you know, but this is all about feeling and stuff. I don't know how to explain it. So yeah, it's just an amazing day. Pentatonix, they are perfect. They are literally just perfect. I'm sorry. Think about the most perfect song you ever know. It's a Pentatonix song. It just is. Oh my god. Also, I spoke to Scott's parents after the show, which was insane, and I gave them my card to give to Scott. I was like, please pass it on so you can check out this mashup and like my stuff. It just means the world. Like Scott Hoyen is my biggest one. I'm gonna say one of my biggest role models in life. He's completely changed my life just from him being him and so passionate about what he does, so good at what he does. And his parents are so lovely as well. Like, it was actually wonderful meeting them. I was asking them questions like, oh, it was so weird. It was so weird. Like, it didn't feel real because I was like, what was it like when Scott chose to do a cappella and like, you know, when like chose to be on the sing off? Like, were you worried as parents or like what was it like? And it's just like, that's insane that I got to ask his parents that and like talk to them about like, oh, what do you come out to tours often? Whereabouts you like? How long did you stay here for? Where are you staying? Like, that is just insane that like that happened. And like when they walked into the room and in the pre-show thing, I was that was insane. I can't even. That feeling was really weird because it felt super normal. I think I said this earlier actually, but it felt super normal, but it also didn't feel real. It was weird. My heart was just going like the whole time. And then I did that whole sneezing fiasco. Had like 7 sneezes in like 1 minute. I feel like it was just annoying the whole room. I was really self-conscious about it. Anyway, what a day. Those guys are amazing. They are amazing. I hope you enjoyed the clips. I'm going to go back to trying to become as close to Pentatonix as I can, which means stew time. I'll see you later. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment if you're at the show, if you have any thoughts, what bits were your favourite, anything like that. See you later.